Children, now let us see how we can evaluate these questions. Come on. What is the question? Let us read this question now. 3 into 16 power 3 by 4. Okay. Now keep this 3 as it is. We cannot do anything to this 3. 16 power 3 by 4. 16. How you can write it as power? And 16 will be 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. That is 2 power 4. And whole to the power 3 by 4. Now you know a to the power m whole to the power n will be equal to a to the power m into n. So this 4 and 4 will be cancelled. You will be getting 3 into 2 cube. So that will be equal to 3 into 2 to the 4 to the 8. That will be 3 into 8, which will give you 24. Okay. Now see the next question. 2 into 27 to the power minus 2 by 3. Again keep 2 as it is. Now 27 is nothing but 3 cube to the power minus 2 by 3. Now you know power to the power means these two powers will get multiplied. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled. You will be getting 2 into 3 power minus 2. So 3 power minus 2, if you need to change the power into positive, that will become 2 into 1 by 3 power 2. That will be equal to 2 by 3 square means 9. Okay. Now see this question. 2 into, see 9 power 3 by 2 into 9 power minus 1 by 2. See a to the power m into a to the power n will be equal to a to the power m plus n. 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2. Okay. So see what will happen. This will become 2 into 9 to the power 3. See 3 by 2 plus minus minus 1 by 2. So this will become 2 into 9 to the power 3 minus 1 by 2. That will be 2 into 9 to the power 2 by 2. That will be equal to 2 into, see 2 and 2 cancel, so 9 power 1. So this will be 2 into 9, that is equal to 80. Now let us see the next part. Find the value of 5 square into 12 square to the power 1 by 2. Nothing to worry here. First solve the small brackets. 5 square 25 plus 12 square 144. So small bracket solved, power 1 by 2. Okay. Now see 25 plus 144 will give you 169 to the power 1 by 2. 169 is nothing but 13 square, which will be 13 square to the power 1 by 2. So 13 to the power 2 into 1 by 2, 2 cancel. Your final answer is 13. Now see this. Find the value of x if 2 power x plus 2 power x plus 2 power x is equal to 192. There is nothing to panic here. See 2 power x plus, suppose it would have been into, you would have done x plus x, but there is plus here, plus. So let us start this as let 2 power x be y. Now see, it will be very simple. This is y plus again this is y plus again this is y, which is giving you 192. So 3y is equal to 192. This implies y will be equal to 192 by 3. 3 6 are 18, 12, so 3 4s are 12. So what you are getting, y is equal to 64. Let us put in power. Y is equal to 64 means how much? 2, because y is in the form of 2 power something. So let us see what is 64. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64. 2 power 6. Now what is your y? Y is your 2 power x. So 2 power x is equal to 2 power 6. Bases are equal. So bases are equal. So your x will be equal to bases are equal means powers must also be equal. So your x is equal to 6. Now see 8 to the power 255 is equal to 32 to the power x. See both the bases are different. You have to change the bases into same. So 8 can be written as the power of 2 and 32 also can be written as power of 2. See 2 to the 4 to the 8. So 2 cube to the power 255 here, and this is 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 16, 2 to the 32. This is 2 to the power 5, 4 to the power x. Now what will happen? This will be 2 to the power 3 into 255 equal to 2 to the power 5x. So now bases are equal. Bases are equal. So what can we do? We can equate the powers. So 3 into 255 is equal to 5x. So x will be equal to 3 into 255. See, 5 is multiplying here, it will come and divide here. So 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So 3 into 51. 3 into 51 means how much? 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. 153. So x is equal to 153. I hope you got it. Now the next question. This is also very easy. You have to understand how to do it. See, 4 power x minus 4 power x minus 1 is equal to 24. First of all, see, this is written as 4 power x minus 1. You must remember a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Here it is given like this and you have to form this. Okay, what is your m here? Your m is x and your n is 1. So what it will become? If you want to put it in the form of a to the power m by a to the power n, it will become 4 power x by 4 power 1. Yes, write it down like that. 4 power x minus 4 power x by 4 power 1 is equal to 24. Now, as I have told you earlier, change this into another variable. That will make the whole process easy. Let 4 power x be equal to y. Okay, be equal to y. Now y minus y by 4 will give you 24. Now this is your general equation. Solve it. You can solve it easily. Your LCM is 4, so 4y minus y by 4 will give you 24. Now this implies 4y minus y is how much? 3y by 4 is equal to 24. What does this imply? This implies 3y is equal to 24 into 4, and this means that y is equal to 24 into 4 by 3. So 3 8s are 24. Your y is 32. Now write it as power of what? Power of 2. So y will be equal to 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2 is 16, 2 is 32, 2 power 5. But what is your y? Your y is nothing but 4 power x. Your y is 4 power x. So resubstitute. 4 power x is equal to 2 power 5. 4 can be written as 2 square to the power x is equal to 2 power 5. Now see, this means 2 power 2x is equal to 2 power 5. Bases are equal. So bases are equal. Bases are equal. So what will you do? So powers will be equal. So 2x is equal to 5. This implies x is equal to 5 by 2. This is your final answer.